Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am organizing all of my plastic shopping bags. I'll be taking them from this hot mess that's all over the place to this neat and folded, easy to store. If you want to see how I did this, definitely stay tuned. Alright guys, first you're going to take your plastic bag and you want to open it up as much as you can. Then you want to smooth the bag down as much as you can because this makes it easier for you to fold the bag. Once you have the bag nice and smooth, you're going to take the side that's closest to you and you're going to fold it away from you. So you're going to take the bag and fold it in half. And you want to smooth that out as much as you can again. Then you're going to take the side that's closest to you and you're going to fold it over one more time. So you're going to fold the bag in half again and you'll have a long rectangle with handles at the top. Then you're going to take the bag and you're going to turn it so the handles are away from you and the bottom of the bag is closest to you. Then starting at the bottom right corner of the bag, you want to lift up that corner so that way you form a triangle. So that bottom right corner will be the top of the triangle. Then you're going to take that triangle and you're going to fold it over and down and you want to smooth that out. You'll know that you're doing it right because you have your 45-degree angle right at the bottom. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go to the bottom left tip of the triangle and you're going to lift that up. And then there you go again, to your triangle, 45-degree angle, and then you're going to fold that triangle down. And then you're going to basically keep going and flipping the triangle up and over, up and over. So it may take a few times for you to get it, but you want to make sure that when you're folding the triangle up and over that you're holding it nice and tight so that way it keeps its form and its shape. So you keep taking that triangle, flipping it up and over, all the way up to the handles. And then once you get to the handles, you'll know when you need to stop because you can't tuck the handles in. So you want to go up as far as you can to the handles. And you're going to lift up your bag and you'll see right here there's a little pocket right in the front. Hopefully you can see that. A little pocket right there. You're going to take your handles and you're going to tuck them right into that little pocket, making sure that, again, you hold the triangle nice and secure while you're tucking in the handles. And you keep smoothing it and tucking it and smoothing it and tucking it. And there you go. A nice little plastic triangle, which makes it so much easier to store your plastic bags than the loose ones all over the place that seem to take up so much space. So let's go through that one more time. Now I know this is a Target shopping bag, but I don't discriminate when it comes to finding a good deal. So what you're going to do is the same thing. You're going to take your plastic bag, open it up, and you want to smooth it out as much as you can. Then you're going to take the side that's closest to you and you're going to fold it over so that way you fold the bag in half and smooth it down. And then you're going to take the side that's closest to you and you're going to fold it over again so that way you fold the bag in half one more time and you're left with a long rectangle with handles at the top. You're going to turn the bag so that way the bottom of the bag is closest to you and the handles are away. Then starting at the bottom right corner of the bag, you're going to lift it up so that that bottom right tip of the bag is at the top of your triangle and you're going to fold it over. Then you're going to take the bottom left tip of the bag, lift it up, and fold it over. And you're just going to keep going just like that. Keep flipping that triangle up and over until you get all the way to the handles. So once you start doing this, it's actually pretty easy. You start to get the hang of it. I've done this numerous times watching a television show or during commercials, and it just makes it so much easier to store my bags. Again, once you get all the way to the top of the handles, you're going to look for that little pocket. You're going to take your handles and you're just going to stuff them right into that pocket, making sure to hold the triangle nice and tight so that way it stays together as you're tucking those handles into that little pocket. And then you just press it and keep tucking and pressing and keep tucking. And there you go. Another beautifully folded plastic bag triangle that's so much easier to store. It takes up a lot less space. And believe me, once you start doing this, like there's no going back. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you plan on organizing your plastic bags, definitely click that thumbs up button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and until the next video, I hope you guys are having a wonderful and blessed new year. Take care. Bye.